Today we're making Andy's sizzling smoky pepper wrap. Sweet pepper, smoky ham, melty cheese, and a little guacamole and salsa magic, all wrapped up and toasted to perfection. Start by adding about a tablespoon of oil and thinly slicing your peppers. Then add them to the pan. Then thinly slice the ham. I used about 2 slices per wrap. Then saute everything until the peppers are a little tender and the ham is just a little crispy. On your tortilla, sprinkle a generous layer of cheese, then pile on that gorgeous pepper and ham mixture. Now return the tortilla to the skillet and let it cook until the cheese melts and it starts to be getting a little bit bubbly. And the bottom will start to be a little bit toasted. Now the fun part. Carefully open it just enough to spoon in some creamy guacamole and your favorite salsa. This is where all the flavor layers come together. And there you have it, Andy's Sizzlin' Smoky Pepper Wraps. Fast, flavorful, and completely irresistible. Give it a try and let me know if you go extra spicy or keep it mild.